Hi guys, it's Gail. I just got my really short haircut and dyed my hair in a long time. Bleached 2 times and around 3 weeks ago, and I would like to maintain, feel the best. Wanna review and do stuff more about the fancy products for your color treated hair. So I got this one Kerastase, and I'm so excited to review in front of you guys. By the way, I got the color treated one and I bought it on 9 September and they got a lot of promotion, some discount and a lot of free stuff, I think. And I'm always attracted by those promotions, so I got it. And just want to look the best with my new hair and I'm loving it. So let's stay tuned and I'm gonna unbox it. So I'm gonna unbox it. Oh my god. Amazing extravaganza package. I think they glue it on the products. Oh. Let's take it out. Oh, I got a free bag. And knowledges with the perfume. I wonder if this is the same with the hair oil. Fragrance in oil. Oh my god. This is so much. So I bought the shampoo. I didn't get the mask for the brow hair because I don't have brow hair right now and I'm not going to review that one. So I got the Chroma Absolu for shampoo and mask. And anyway, I should get the fine hair, but I bought this package because I didn't put it up for the fine hair shampoo. And I don't know why. Maybe this one cannot sell that much. I'm not sure, but hopes, finger crossed, it will work as well. Even though I have fine hair, I'm so sorry, but just want a lot of discount and free stuff. And I also got this serum, leave-in serum. So this is one thing that I would like to try because when I got out of the salon, after they put a purple shampoo and conditioner on my hair, they put this one. Normally I would put hair oil. I never put this one before. Normally I had really oily scalp and dry hair, so I want to put something extreme like hair oil, and so excited to try it if it works as good. But when I get out of salon, my hair looks so amazing and doesn't feel oily. It felt light and beautiful, so that's why I want it. Small bottle, but I don't have much hair now. I love this stuff so much. I did a review before. I bought a whole bottle of this one. If you want to take a look, I'll link it down below. I really love this one. So good. The packaging. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Even though I spent like $100 for a few products, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be right back. I could smell something already. I haven't opened the bottle. Feels so like high-end, niche, clean, plants kind of thing. Anyway, let's wash my hair. Oh my god, the smell. Smells kind of like luxury fragrance and cheap fragrance at the same time. But it's relaxing. Hi, I'm back. I just showered and washed my hair with. I think the smell is halfway spa, expensive spa, luxurious relaxing and have the cheap, sorry that I say that, cheap L'Oreal shampoo mixed together, but I still enjoy using it. One thing I could notice is that for this kind of color control hair stuff, it's the same thing with the Aveda one. It's not super foamy. It's really like supposed to moisturize, doesn't strip your scalp, and I think that's what happened. Even though it's not foamy, but I think I washed it 2 times. The first time I couldn't get it foamy at all, but I haven't washed my hair for 4 days and I put products on my hair every day, so I think that would be normal. And I think the packaging is so beautiful, feels so light, moisturized. And when I use this hair mask, I could feel that my hair feels super soft. So I'm kind of excited to take this hair towel off and blow dry to see how it looks. By the way, I didn't use the purple shampoo. I want to see how it makes your hair looks without a purple shampoo, because I saw the video that it makes the hair look so phenomenal with the hair color, and I hope that's me today. Anyways, alright, the next product from this line, I really want to try the serum. Says on here to spray 67 sprays, but since I barely have, my hair is quite short. Anyway, it feels, oh my god, it smells, my scalp hair smells so amazing. When I use Aveda, I reviewed it long time ago. I feel like it makes my scalp feel super hydrated. You put conditioner with this shampoo, if you know what I mean. That's what I felt. But now it feels semi of that. My scalp feels good. It's not like super hydrated like that one, but at least doesn't dry my scalp and it feels good and normal, I think. So I couldn't read on the bottle, so I searched it here. A universal anti-freeze antioxidant thermic leave-in serum for all sensitized, damaged, color-treated hair. A white fluid texture enriched with antioxidant properties. Lactic acid, Centella aesthetica, helps to preserve color by completely shielding fiber against all type of external aggressor, UV-induced damage, humidity, heat, oxidative stress. So I just want this one the most because I saw my hairdresser who dyed my hair and got this haircut use this one instead of hair oil, and I looked the best. But you got out of the salon and you look the best. You're supposed to look like that. So let's see how I do it at home. I think I'm gonna use Feel Spray. The spray is so strong, I think. Oh. So I'm gonna wrap the pot. Smell the same, but now I start to like it. Guys, I feel like my hair looks like silk, and this never happened before. Feel like for the color wise, it makes more complex, like it has texture, and my hair doesn't look orange or anything. I'm so impressed. And today I don't use a purple shampoo to change or tone anything. I think it tones the hair to look, I don't know, it has some dimension, and I feel like that never happened before, or maybe it's just me because I spent a lot of money on this one. My hair feels so bouncy and soft and beautiful and smells so good. I never felt like this in a long time. The color I still like it, but I want to see in the daylight also, so I'll be right back. And I'm impressed, guys. Maybe money can buy everything after all. Hi guys, I'm back. This is the next 3 days of my Kerastase hair washing. The first day that I washed it, I got a lot of flakes on my scalp, but I feel like I cannot entirely blame the shampoo because I bleached my hair and it is not healthy for me. But anyways, guys, I feel so good about my hair. It's the softest touch ever. I think it makes my hair more vibrant in some ways. I don't know how to explain it, but I just feel like it. And anyway, the hair is so bouncy. Somehow it weighs down. I'm not sure if it gets softer and it looks better and it's spaced out. It's not frizzy. Or it just, I didn't style it that well. But anyways, guys, I feel so impressed with everything that I try. Maybe it's not a bad $100 to spend. And I didn't use a toning shampoo, purple shampoo to make it more vibrant. It's already vibrant and I'm so impressed. Hi guys, I just bleached my hair and I hope this time it's light enough for you guys and for me. And this time it burns so much. I don't think I would bleach my hair again, but anyways, just for the review, let's do it. Hey guys, I'm back. I just oil my scalp because it's like I had a car crash on the street and I put my head down and it's so bumpy and scars and whatever happened, flaky on my scalp, so I need that so badly. I'm gonna put it for like 2 hours. You can actually leave those for 3 hours. So I put rosemary oil with other oil. I'm gonna use this shampoo again to test on super platinum blonde hair and really bad scalp to see if it works. Last time when I used it, I think I had dandruff a little bit, but I cannot blame the products because I bleach my hair and something could happen to your scalp and it's not good for you actually, but I did it anyway, so I'm gonna use this. I kind of enjoy use turmeric serum kind of heat protectant right now because I have fine hair and I feel like it looks voluminous, beautiful, vibrant for many days and it's not oily. But one of the main reasons that my scalp is not oily anymore is damage from the bleach because I had really oily scalp and dry hair before, but now hi guys, I'm back. So even though my scalp is burned and crazy right now, this thing kind of like I feel is like soothing. Doesn't make my scalp drier. Even though right now I still feel itchy from those burns, but overall I enjoy it so much. One thing I forgot to mention, I think this one, the smell is so overpowering. Like you could smell it last time I washed it, you could still smell this. Smell your hair 2 days after that. So maybe it's good for people who wash their hair not often. But like I could smell the hair 2 days after I wash it. And I think it's so powerful. Like they put a lot of fragrance in here. And like regular fragrance can't even last that long if you ask me. So that's one thing that I noticed. Even though I've been through the worst hair dye, my scalp condition, it burned and everything. But these products make my hair feels amazing. And on top of that, I also oil my scalp with rosemary oil with other oil, so it feels the best. Like, doesn't feel like I've been through hell with my scalp. I feel like it's still bumpy around this area, but overall it feels amazing. And I'm gonna use a Thermic Chroma Absolu. Oh my god, I forgot to comb my hair in front of you before this. It's like the worst noise ever. That is like scratching those bumps. Oh my god. Should have filmed that. But one thing I feel like after I bleach 4 times, my hair is not that bouncy anymore. But let's see. It looks even better. Oh my god. Thanks to these products. I think it's still there, flaky stuff, but I think it's way better now. I think it looks more blonde and beautiful. But this time, I'm not gonna lie, my hair is not that soft anymore. But I cannot blame anything since I went through all of that. I feel like if you spend a lot of money to get your hair done, I feel like why not spend more for the shampoo, mask, and those stuff. Like, even though those are so expensive, but I'm so loving my hair right now. Even though my scalp say otherwise. Oh my goodness. And guys, I'll be right back in daytime to see how it really looks on the daylight. Alright guys, this is the next morning. I'm so shocked with the result. This is what I imagined before getting my hair done. But overall, it's